Good morning, guys. It's Jay here. Happy Tuesday. Yesterday we had a good trading day with the Signal Group. Nasdaq has been going up. Very interesting when it opened yesterday, around 12 o'clock midnight. It actually opened with a buy. So that buy was a very good. We missed this because I did the analysis for it, but in the weekend and I posted in the group. We missed this buy. You see this buying point. The market went all the way up, and also 3:30 New York open, it continued with the bullish trend. So right now it looks like it it actually invalidated my head and shoulder pattern. I am looking at what we call some sort of a channel or consolidation, right? So let's do this with my let me analyze. Okay, I'm gonna have my support. This is my support right here. I'm gonna make it blue. All right, this is my support. Okay, as you can see, it was supported two times to be exact. Okay, we're not gonna count this one here. We're gonna count from here. It was supported three times. So I mean, then Nasdaq has been going up. So chances are what goes up must come down. It has to go down. It's been making new highs, and the buyers have been pushing the market up, amazingly. And this was one of those buys where a lot of people tripled their accounts with just a 1,000 rand. They were able to push it close to 5,000 rand because of that move. You know what I mean? So I have somebody that sent me a screenshot of how they did yesterday from a deposit of about 900 rand right now. So the head and shoulder that I sent in the group is actually invalid because right now Nasdaq is just making it's in a channel, right? It's in a channel. So we're expecting a break to the downside or the upside. Whichever way, we gonna nail it. We're gonna be on top of it. You know what I mean? We're gonna be on top of Nasdaq. If it breaks and it goes up, it's going to make a new high. All right, it's going to make a new high. The buyers are still in control. No sellers in the market. So we monitor this. We are not the market makers. We monitor and see where these people are taking the market, where they're hitting the stop losses, where they're inducing traders to take wrong positions. So remember, in order for the market to go down, there must be enough buyers that took the market up to hit a certain level, then it actually goes down. So we need to trade in line with the market makers. We need to trade in line with the institution. Sometimes they show us something that is not real, and as a retail trader, you're definitely going to fall for that because that's what your eyes are seeing. But you need to understand the whole game and the whole manipulation and how the banks play this game. Can you see right now as you speak? It's attempting to hit that resistance line. Okay, it's attempting to break it. Okay, so you ask yourself, are there buyers there? So they're trying to induce buyers. So chances are, if you buy here, they can take it up only to come and reverse around this area. They come and reverse around this area. It's still a valid thing to do. They is still on resistance. They reverse around this area. Then you are in a buy, you lose, then they take it down. It goes down to follow the structure. Now, guys, we really need to be careful. As you've seen, those are in the Telegram group because I asked everybody to come through to Telegram. We actually abandoned the WhatsApp group. But those in the Telegram group, as you've seen, for the past 2 weeks, we've had 85% in terms of our winning ratio with Nasdaq. So we are to continue. I don't want people blowing accounts, and I've realized that most of the time when we lose, it's during the New York Open, where we'll have a right signal, but it just goes against us. Then after that, it follows the structure. So However, for the past 2 weeks, we've been doing great. We've been doing great in terms of our signals. We've had an amazing winning ratio in this regards, right? So we keep it very simple. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it to confirm the overall trend, right? The overall trend, can you see even on daily? On daily, it's attempting, it has broken the the resistance line on daily, right? So there's a big chance that it will break on 15 minutes. You know, a lot of people analyze this as a confirmation for a sell. Some people are calling it a what is it, a double top, you know, but it looks like Nasdaq is going to break that resistance and go up. So if you are a if you are a support and resistance trader, that's your strategy. You are nailing Nasdaq as it goes up, you are nailing Nasdaq as it goes down. But we wait for the high probabilities to enter the market, because that's where we gain quite a lot of money, and that's where we make sure that we are definitely right with our moves. We are not here for a 50-50 chance with a broker. We are here to take all the money if we can, you know, and also our biggest when we're trading with JP markets, where we made quite a lot of money with JP markets, we didn't use stop losses. That's our biggest. That was our weakness. You know, where there was a point where we blew an account, and then we decided to stop a little bit, but we realized that, you know what, we need to put in stop losses. You know, the way we're trading, it looks like gambling. So we are not here for 50-50 win. We're here for 80-20 charts with a broker. You know, we need to definitely be right most of the time. We need to be right most of the time, okay, to minimize our losses and stay relevant in the game, and really continue trading. Because if you are losing on a Monday, you lose on a Tuesday, you lose on a Wednesday, you only win, or you lose on a Thursday as well, you only win on a Friday, you make up your losses and a small profit, you definitely just breaking through. You're not winning, you're not consistent, you know. So hence I've decided in the group that we are definitely going to make sure that all the signals are winning. We are waiting. We are definitely, those who have my software, you're definitely doing cool. If you don't understand the software, just highlight me right in the inbox, you know, send me a WhatsApp and say, I don't understand. I will re-explain the software, how it works. It gives you good entries. You know what I mean? It gives you good entries. It doesn't really analyze for you, but you are able to see good entries. The green area, it gives you an opportunity to buy. The red area, it gives you an opportunity to sell once it breaks that Fibonacci level on that area. Okay, those who have the software, they understand. And if you understand the Fibonacci, you'll understand how Fibonacci works. Right now, a lot of traders were looking like this. You know, a lot of traders looking like this. Okay, they were thinking, okay, this is some sort of an M pattern, also called double top. But after this small candle, after this small bearish candle that looked like some sort of a confirmation, then it went up. So a lot of people got trapped thinking, if you are not patient enough, you sold the market, then it got here, and all of a sudden it did something else. You know what I mean? So we wait for the best setups and the best entries before we can actually take the market anywhere. So this is on a daily. You know, it shows you that, okay, fine, if I'm looking at a daily, it's a bullish trend. You know, the bulls are still in control. Now if you take it to 15 minutes, you can trade small pullbacks. You see, there we go. It broke out. If you check your software must be giving you some sort of a signal right now. But for me, I will say right now, I'm going to give a signal right now for a buy Nasdaq, and I need us to manage our risk, guys. This is a very dangerous level because I want it to break and come retest, but it broke out, and there's also this zone here. You know, it broke out. We're definitely gonna go up, but let's just give it some time. We're gonna take a trade. Let us give us the second candle. On the second candle, we're going to enter. On the second candle, we're definitely going to enter a buy. On the second candle, which is going to happen anytime from now, we're definitely going to enter a buy. But let's just give it some time. I wanted to break the previous yesterday's high. I wanted to break that yesterday's high. Once it breaks the yesterday's high, I'm confirming that we have a definite buy to the upside. And remember, with Nasdaq, you don't need to hold for long. You just hold a little bit, you make quite a lot of money. You know, I'm not in a hurry. I'm gonna check the software now because I'm analyzing without the software as we speak. So that software that we designed, it works for our confirmation, you know, but most of the time we also analyze the market first and see what are the probabilities. You see, guys, it's going up, this thing, the new candle that it actually gives us after this high. You see this high here. After this high, we are definitely going to buy the market with some good risk to reward ratio. Now, just note in the week, we also have the news on jobs in the United States of America. So that is going to do something to Nasdaq. We are looking forward to that. I think it's on Thursday. So if you have a small account, you wait for such opportunities for you to capitalize on the market. So let's quickly have a look. I'm going to post the signal in the group right now. I'm waiting for it to break this level that I'm looking at. I'm looking for it to break this level. You see, an aggressive entry would have been here. You know, you need to learn to technically analyze the market the way you understand it, right? So let me take it like this. Okay. You can also take it like this and see where price is rejecting, guys. See where price is rejecting. Okay, there we go. Look at this. This is on 15 minutes. Some sort of a small, how can I put it? Look at this trend line as if it was actually going down. Now it broke out. You see, another entry, good entry for aggressive traders would have been here, right? For traders that are trading this breakout, a good entry would have been here as well, which is after the retest of this trend line. I mean, we thought, okay, fine, it's going down, but it broke that. Another thing that we can do is learn to analyze the market, guys. Learn to analyze the market. Learn to analyze the market, and you'll be okay. You know, you don't need a lot of mentors. You don't need, you see, look at this. Look at this. Okay. What is this? It's a continuation pattern. It's definitely a continuation pattern. It's a continuation pattern. There we go. I hope you guys are monitoring, because sometimes I don't post a signal. I want to see how serious you are in the group. If you're all by yourself. Look at this. Look at this. See, it's a continuation pattern. It broke out of that, you know. Now, if it gives us another candle going up, we're definitely entering this. We're taking this to, you see, the candle is starting. You see what's happening there. We're going to wait for it. I'm 100% sure that they're going to push it down to this level. They're going to push it down to this level. You see this level? They're going to push it down to this level. Then after that, they're going to push it up. It will break this resistance and go to the upside, you know, definitely. So guys, you need to learn to analyze the market, the way, just learn technical analysis, you know, the best way that you understand it, the best way that you understand technical analysis. Just learn technical analysis the best way you understand it. You know, there is nothing complicated in here. So I'm going to pause the video and post the signal in the group right now. I'll come back to it.